You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another wig review from Luvwin hair. I'm just showing you guys all of the goodies that they sent over in the package. They sent over a huge bonnet, a lace band, wig cap, lashes, comb, everything. So the wig that we're looking at today is this bob wig. It has 4C edges and it's a 13x4 lace wig and it is 10 inches. I'm just showing you guys what the inside of the cap looks like. You have two clips on the side, you have an elastic band, you have a clip in the back, and you have plenty of parting space. As you can see, it's 4 inches deep and it has 13 inches around the perimeter. Okay, now I'm just trying on the wig to see what it looks like. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a middle part or a side part. I'm showing you guys up close what the edges look like. These are the 4C edges. So the edges are very natural and they mimic a natural hairline. So I decided to do a side part and I'm just showing you guys up close how simple it is. The edges, like I said, mimic a natural hairline, so this is great if you don't feel like doing baby hairs or anything like that. You can just leave it as is. So I'm just using my even tinted spray in the darkest brown color so that it can match my hairline. Now I'm cutting off the lace close to the hairline. I'm doing it in a zigzag motion and I'm only working in sections so I can make sure that it is precise as possible. Okay, so now I'm applying the wig again. I applied it using my elastic band first. This helps so that it is nice and tight. I'm gonna wear this wig glueless, so I want it to be really secure, so I tightened the elastic band. Now I'm just gonna flat iron the hair all around and give it like a little bump at the end. I'm just trying to get rid of the little crinkles that the kinky straight hair usually has. When I get to the top of my hair, I'm using my wax stick, and then I'm also using my hot comb to make sure everything is laying nice and flat. Okay, so this is what my edges are looking like. They are perfectly fine the way that they are, but I am just going to swoop them. If you don't want to do this, you can definitely leave it in its natural state. That makes it much easier. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. This wig has a lot of movement, a lot of body, as you guys can see. After I flat ironed it, it is moving so nicely. This texture definitely resembles my natural hair texture. Like, it literally looks like I grew hair and flat ironed my hair. It has so much movement. I love the cut of the back of the hair. That's what the back looks like. And I think it looks really cute with the side part, but with the middle part, it will look cute as well. I'm just showing you guys what the edges look like up close. And like I said, this is a glueless wig, so I'm just putting my comb under so you guys can see that it is completely glueless. And there is plenty of parting space. You can do a middle part, side part, whatever you desire. So you would have never guessed that this is a glueless wig because it looks so natural. The hairline looks really natural. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig, I would definitely have the links and everything down below. Thank you to Luvwin Hair for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't slip on the trip.